going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Mowgli. Today we're going to be dropping the front suspension on this truck. In the previous video you guys saw how we cut the P-notch and then we did the flip kit on the differential. That dropped it about 7 inches more or less. So for this, for the front side, we're trying to drop it about 4 or 5 inches. So we're going to be cutting the springs, which is the easiest way to drop the front suspension. We're going to be replacing the shocks, so we're gonna remove those. It's got 2 bolts on the bottom. I decided to go with Beltec shocks. They're the same length as the original ones. So here's the spring already removed. We're gonna cut about 1.5 turns. 1 turn should be about right here, so 1.5 would be somewhere here. Now for this truck, I noticed that the end links were really worn out, so I decided to get this new set and we're gonna install them. Now after everything was installed, the fender was rubbing on the tire. Now this is a 235 by 70 by 15 inch tire. So I'm going to replace those with 295 50 tires. So it'll be shorter and wider. As far as the fenders, I'm going to add this fender flares. I decided to add a turbo to this truck, so that's going to be in future videos. If you want to see how we install the turbo on this truck, then stay tuned for their next videos. Hit like and subscribe so you can watch the rest of the videos. And thanks for tuning in.